Hello guys, today I'm showing you 5 creative ways to apply 5 different transitions. They are all from the Ultimate Transition Pack that I purchased. So first one would be the glitch transitions. Basically drag it onto your clip, adjust the time, and you can actually change the color of this glitch effect. You can see the lines. I like this green color, so I'm gonna just use this green color. So this glitch transition adds color to this very boring train passing video. You can even change the second part of the clip by reversing it and drag the rewind glitch transition. You can change the text and also you can change the rewind text color. Yeah, I don't really like this colorful color. I like this very basic white color. You can see that people are walking backwards. So next up will be zoom effect. Why is this creative? Because instantly it can create a very dramatic chromatic effect. Like this one, you can adjust to make it a short reverse zoom or can change it back to the normal zoom with a very short chromatic effect. So your video is now more impactful. Next one will be zoom optic. In this transition, you can see the first clip is being sucked into the focal point and it's very powerful. Okay, Kaleidoscope effect. You see you have a mirrored clip. You can transform your normal clip into this mirrored clip by using this transition like this. Or you can even lengthen the transition time and make it even more impactful. Also, there's this fire effect. You can change it to be scaling in or scaling out. Personally, I like scaling in because it's more natural. You can even change the color of the fire and change the color of the particles. So eventually you can see that it's blue fire burning. Very useful if you're doing some game reviews. Last one would be this very simple yet effective comic transition. You can change a lot of the colors, a lot of the tint. Basically, if you want to create a more normal Marvel-ish comic look, you just stick with the original color, it's fine. And you can change the wordings. I'm not gonna change it because I like this blue versus red. And you can see that it's very impactful. And that's all for today's video. Hope you all like it and please subscribe. Thank you, bye bye.